Hi guys, I hate doing an intro. Like, I should just like start off with something funny, but I don't know what to say. So Halloween is this Tuesday, I think, or Wednesday, October 31st. Halloween weekend. I'm doing Halloween weekend, bruh. I'm doing Halloween weekend, the only function that I'm invited to tomorrow, actually, Sunday, the Sunday before. So a week ago, I was having a bit of a crisis. I first wanted to be, okay, in summer, right before Blonde Glamour. If I insert Blonde Glamour, am I gonna get copyrighted? Like, before, like, the big boom, like, leopard print was, like, everybody's like, but it wasn't, like, boom. Sorry, I'm, like, mocking. Mogging is, like, such a big part of my vocab now. I also need to shut up. But whatchamacallit, yeah, I want to be a leopard. I decided this in, like, July or August because me and my friends were trying to, like, figure out our costumes. Because for funsies, because who doesn't start thinking about Halloween in summer? And then I was like, okay, whatever. Like, then I got inspiration to be like Sarah from My Babysitter's Vampire, but I was like, she doesn't have like an iconic outfit that I can like, it's gonna be recognizable. Actually, nobody that I know, like 70% of the people that I know don't even know what My Babysitter's Vampire is. Then I was like, okay, maybe I can just be a vampire, but I couldn't find anything to wear. Because I went to Ross and they always have like those cute little tops, but then when I went, they didn't have them. And it's also not the Ross that I usually go to, but whatever. And then, this is so TMI. But anyways, so then I was like, oof, I don't know what to do. I actually spent hours over multiple days trying to find a costume to do. And then I decided upon being a pirate, and that's the one that I actually stuck with. Actually, no, I went leopard, vampire, thought about doing leopard again, and then pirate. So okay, here's my inspo. So this is my plan. My plan is, I'm actually almost done when I'm recording this because I have a habit of not doing intros. But I was like, wait, let me be like more of a person on here instead of just like showing you like my hands. So I'm gonna do like a tiered skirt inspired by this Doll's Kill skirt and like a bunch of like fairy skirts in general. And then so I ordered fabric for that. Couldn't decide what to do for the top, so I just did a tube top. And I've already been working on this shrug. It's like off-white, but basically white. It's like more like cream. And so I'm gonna try to grind on that and finish it because it would like be like good to have something up here. I just realized that it would be a better idea to stop sewing around here. Guys, I know it's rough, but it doesn't matter because it's all gonna be covered up. So I don't care. Even inside out it looks rough, but it doesn't matter because I'm putting something else on it. But anyways, I decided to stop stitching here, and then I'm gonna start putting the like underskirt on it because I only did the top 2 layers. So yeah. Hey guys, it is day 2. Well, like day 20 billion, but it's Sunday, which is day of the Halloween party. So I worked on the shrug a little bit, and then I got through like half or more than halfway through the last sleeve. So now it's time for the top. I think I'm gonna double layer it because it is like pretty thin material. Okay, so I just wanted to try it on. I was like, there's no way this is gonna fit, but it did. And I put on like a strapless, like it's obviously still, you can tell the difference between like where it's sewn together, that it's like not like nicely see-through, or it is see-through, like, you know, it's my face, it is see-through, but whatchamacallit, and also you can see like the weird colors I used, but like in the future I probably will, but I'm just so tired of sewing right now. So I think it's fine, just wear it like this because it's like literally only the top part's gonna be showing, and I'm gonna put it all together. This is a like cutesy with like the skirt, but time for this thing. I don't think I've fully like done it, but whatever. I don't want to go through all the effort of like tightening it and like doing the back, and the back there's like a black part to cover it, but I look at the tag and it says extra small. Maybe when I ordered a medium, I'm pretty sure I ordered a medium. Maybe I'm tweaking, but yeah. Okay, so here's with what we have so far of the shrug. It can be like off the shoulder or it can just be like that. So I need to finish the sleeve. I like kind of forgot about it. But also I haven't got that desperate. It's a super far drive, so I can low-key just like grind on the drive. I still don't know like which way I'm gonna center the skirt, but yeah.